Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to bring the video of Kimi AI. So let's type Kimi AI on Google and goes to that particular website. So this is the Kimi AI. Okay, this is the AI model, new AI model. This AI model which will help us to write the program. So here, first you have to go sign in your Gmail account. I'm going to sign in my Gmail account and go to do some works. Okay. So here I have I just try agent or maybe latest. Okay. So here this is the AA agent. Yes, they are say agents on trial. So everything's are there. So here this AA we can this help us to the programming task and every task. So here you can see the models. These are the models are there. Okay, this at a time this all the models are they provide us a free deep thinking. Okay, the deep thinking and AI agent everything else. Okay, so let's quick response. So I'm going to ask the programming if you want any doubts. Okay, they provide. So here the upgrade plan as well, you can go to the upgrade plan. So here you can see here this is the they are upgrade uh, uh, update. Okay, so that now at the moment we can use for some tips free. So I'm going to go to type. So act as a world best programmer. If you type world best uh, Java developer. Okay, if you type Java developer, the program will be changed according to the developer mode. So here one prompt you will type it. Don't type too much prompt so that it difficult to do it. Okay, so first you have to your free credit will be over. So the one prompt you can ask all the things. So I'm going to ask I want to add two numbers in Java console application. Console application. So you have to tell them the AI in proper way. So I want add two numbers. So I want to generate the output as a console application output. Okay. If you just type it add two numbers, the program will be struggle. The AI will be. Okay. Java consists of swing application, effects, and web application. There are so many. So you tell them my output will be produce out. Okay. So how my output will be produced. So you have to tell them clearly. Okay, I want to add two numbers in Java console application. If you click on it, here I will write a clear production ready console application. Add it here. You simply you can write. Okay, so here you will be able to get the help from here. It's not that kind of difficult. Everything's are there. Okay, this is how the Java generated. This is just a not a. This is a very what you call it's they code it very hard. Okay, scanner class and implementation everything. So if you want to do here, this is how that output has been work here. Everything's are here like this. Okay, so it's enter two numbers, add them together. Okay, so you tell them edit. You can add edit. You will be able to edit the prompt. I want to add two numbers. Simple way. Simple basic programming program in Java console. You just type it. If you are not without typing, it will be create an advanced one. Okay, everything we will be get it done by AI. Everything get it done by AI. But you tell according to that AI will be act here. Simply it is telling that a simple way. Okay, you go through that everything and you can get the benefit of it. Okay, so these are the steps you must follow, okay, in order to get the output. Okay, the simple way you will be able to work on it. Okay, now this is the AI which will pass to solve out your programming knowledge and all. We can ask any things of you. Okay, you can ask any doubts and everything, it will be clear. Okay, they are a model, so I can't guarantee you can't here you cannot work fully these things for free. Okay, you can ask 5 or 6 doubts for free. After that it become a premium one. Okay, thank you for watching.